We are Dedupely. We have an app that removes duplicate records from CRM systems, especially HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipetribe. And we do that in support of hyper-personalization in sales, marketing, and customer service. And my name is Hampus Isaksson. I work as COO at Dedupely. So far, our experience has been fantastic. We were looking for a long time for a pen testing tool, but you guys offer what we found, at least, more than competitor suites, and you go above and beyond with support. So far our experience has been really good. So we really like behind the login is great, different schedules for scans, but above everything, manual pen testing, the manual part. We're not just doing pen testing so that we can put a stamp on our website or send out to our clients. We want to know where we are vulnerable. And for that, we need the combination of automated and manual pen testing. So we know where are we vulnerable, and so we can plug those holes. So customer service means a lot to us. We lead with it in our own organization. For your customer service, your technical support, they've been extremely responsive. All the follow-up and really the work as well with the manual testing, they have been on point. And when we've had questions, anything, you have been really quick to answer. So we can get on with our own work, which is really important to us. The number one piece in your own organization is make sure that your technical team is completely on board. Everybody knows what is about to happen. Why are we doing this? What are we doing? Right? And obviously one point of contact with Astra, but we might have it a little easier because we're a smaller company, right? And so we can be really flexible and really quick. And when there is a vulnerability, or if there is a vulnerability, we can be really quick to fix that. But it still takes the whole technical team to be on board and know their role and their part in this. Always work as quick as with a small company. So above everything, make sure your technical team is completely on board. I would absolutely recommend Astra Pentest. If you're looking for the combination of automated checks and the manual penetration testing, we're going to be customers with Astra for as long as we have vulnerabilities, and probably after we don't.